How to sign up for Duolingo. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the web browser or open the Duolingo app. Here I am showing you the web browser version and navigate to the Duolingo official website. Now, once you are in the official website of the Duolingo, tap on the Get Started button available there. Once you tap on the Get Started, you will be asked for some informations whether you want to learn which language. Now, simply choose a language to learn. Then, all you have to do is set motivation and background why you are learning all these languages. Simply answer the question asked by the Duolingo. This is your sign up process. This happens in app as well as in the website. So make sure you complete it. Now, once you enter all this information, you will have to choose the daily practice goal, whether 5, 10, 15 minutes. I'm choosing the 5 for now. Then you will also have an option to take a placement test or start for level 1. Choose according to your preferences or according to your knowledge in that language, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.